Hello everybody. As you can see, or possibly not, what we have here is a BK-08 Russian ZX Spectrum clone. Now I've only just got this. Doesn't work for two reasons. The first reason is it doesn't work because it was bought as it doesn't work. And the second reason is the power pack isn't giving out what I think it should have, which is 24 volts. It's just giving out 11 something. But that's not the end of the world. So what is it? It is a Russian clone from 1992. Various numbers and things. As you can see, they like their standardized DIN ports. 24B, which I presume is 24 volts. BTU, whatever that is. Monitor, don't know. In again. Joystick 1 and 2. The keyboard gives the impression that it lifts off, but it doesn't. Oh, go on camera, there you go. It's a little bit dirty. I will pull it apart and clean it and then find out what's wrong with it. It does turn on, or it did turn on. It has a checkered screen with flashing characters on the screen, which could be RAM or ROM. So the Z80 must be working. I think it's a Korean replica of the Z80 or something like that. Power pack is this thing. Russian, roughly translated means Russian Britsky. I quite like it actually. 1992 again. There's a fuse in there. The fuse works. I've had the feet off and had a quick look inside. Apart from a couple of bugs, there's nothing terribly exciting to look at. It is 220 volt AC, 24B output, 0.4 amp. So it's 220 in, 24 out. Or not, it actually gives 11 or 10 or 5 sometimes, you know, if it's that way inclined. So yeah, don't really know what else I can say about it. What does Wiki say? Let's have a look. Does it say anything? What does it say? Okay, it says the Orel BK-08 is a Soviet clone of the famous ZX Spectrum. Is it? Central processor is a UA8808, which is a Z80A. 3.5 MHz, 64 megabytes of RAM on 8 RAM chips. KR565RU5V. RGB out with the appropriate GOST input output for domestic cassette recorders. Used as standard with the device, and 2 connections for joysticks like Kempston and Sinclair. Alright, and a connector bus. Oh yeah, inside there's a laser spring. Inside there's a edge connector thing. Don't know where it connects to, but there you go. What can we say about it? It's a 67 key read button alphanumeric keypad, which is it QWERTY? Nirnetsky Vula. Yeah, QWERTY. Wait states when accessing RAM, improve the performance as compared to the ZX Spectrum. Alright. else? Inputs, output, 8 lines of address, clock cycles, address cycles, bicycles, basic ROM package, interpreter on ROM, cassette, basic tape cassette with program test. Alright, well, they're long gone. The BC provides only partial compatibility with the original. The main source of problems is the change in the contents of the top address of ROM, which cause a malfunction on some games such as Bombjack. Using the ROM as a source address of the input handling on IM2. Alright. Okay. What else can I say? Started manufacturing in 1984. Well, that's very exciting. Oh, I've got a wiki page in Russian. A wiki page in Russian. Ruski variant potash Sinclair's ZX Spectrum. Well, that's enough Russian. Anyway, that's the BK-08 on a wonky screen. Yeah, I'll show you the edge connector. It's not really an edge connector. It's not on the edge. It is a connector. Where is it? Well, but you can't see. There you go. 2 buttons, NMI and a reset. They're there. LED. Don't know what that is. Speaker. Presume it's a speaker. There is no on and off. Don't think. The keys are strangely quite nice. So yeah, I'll strip this down at the weekend. Wonky key. There you go, fixed. Yeah, I'll pull it apart at the weekend and see what there is to see. Which is probably not a lot, but I'll video it inside so you can see it doing nothing. But that's another job for another day. Okay, thank you.